How'd I look?
Well, kind of silly.
All right. A fortnight ago, Xiaomi quietly launched a crowdfunding campaign for their first smart glasses product, the Mijia camera glasses. As you can see, it's neither called the Xiaomi camera glasses nor the Xiaomi smart glasses. So it's clear that the Mijia camera glasses is more like a product developed by Xiaomi eco-chain manufacturers, which doesn't focus on smartness or features like other smart glasses. The title has already told us that it focuses on one thing, camera shooting. We were pretty curious whether it's as useless as other smart glasses on the market today, so we ordered one on the Mijia platform in the first instance and experienced it for a few days. So here is our experience with the device. Before we get started, I'd like to show you what's inside the big package of the Mijia camera glasses. Flip the cover and the glasses appear. Well, it's not small in size with a pretty decent build. The legs cannot be folded down and the whole frame looks very much like a stiff headband. But actually, the frame is still flexible enough to be worn by users with different head sizes. Okay, let's put it aside and move on to see what other accessories are available. Here's a user menu and a glasses cleaning cloth, which feels good. And here's a box for storing the glasses, which is quite a big one. Open it up and the other accessories are found inside, including a charging cable, a USB-A to C port adapter, and a hanging frame with regular lenses for the nearsighted. You will need to fit your own lenses if necessary. Since the camera glasses without the lens frame is not so light, I still recommend the contacts instead of heavy lenses for those people. Coming back to the glasses, the most attractive part of this Google Glasses style device is the camera module on the side, including a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera and another 5x optical periscope lens, which support up to 15x hybrid zoom for long shots. So with these glasses, you are going to have a hybrid zoom range from 1x to 15x, which is a very unique feature for a glasses product. On the other side, there's a Sony Micro OLED display with up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. Basically, it works as a viewfinder when the wearer is taking photos or recording videos. Apart from it, there's not much it can do at the moment. The promotional poster claimed it has more AR smart features, but in fact, at this moment, there's only a real-time translator supported here, but no other AR features. It's ridiculous that Xiaomi brought AR user guidance to the glasses. It's the most useless feature on the device. This feature was clearly not designed from the user's point of view, but only to show that it can be AR enabled. And unfortunately, the guidance feels terrible. After all, no one will learn how to wear and use the glasses through the tiny display. And to be honest, I can't wear it for more than 30 minutes since you can obviously feel the weight and the wearing experience is not really comfortable. And once you put them on, unavoidably, your view is noticeably blocked partially by this prismatic display component, which can be frustrating for those who want to wear it for a long time. It's also something you have to compromise on if you are going to use the camera. But the good thing is that it exists as a viewfinder rather than being completely useless, and this discomfort becomes acceptable while shooting. Now let's check out the performance of the cameras. You can slide back and forth on the leg to zoom from 1x to 15x, but when you start shooting, the activated lens cannot be switched, which means you can only zoom from 1 to 5x or about 5x. No matter the photos or the videos shot on the glasses, they look much better than what I expected. It looks better with good detail and colors than the previous smart glasses products. But that doesn't mean it has matched the image quality of some action cameras. The image shot on the glasses looks no different from what we see on a regular phone camera, and it can only shoot 1080p resolution video. Meanwhile, it's not a good experience to shoot on the glasses. The shuttle is actuated by a single touch on the leg surface, which easily leads to a mistouch when you accidentally touch the leg. And sometimes we found the video shot on the glasses might not be so smooth with a slight lag. There's also the issue of the shuttle delay. Its focus speed is a bit disappointing, which leads to the fact that sometimes when you press the shuttle, it takes time to adjust the focus to finish the shot. And then it would produce an incorrect photo when you think it has finished shooting and move your head away. The 5x lens works well with the OIS, which has pretty decent detail, but it's still not easy to have precise control of the camera direction using your head. The software of the glasses is much simpler than I expected, and by far it only supports the Chinese language. So does the companion app. And I couldn't really understand why the simplest app's installation APK file needs to be so large. Apart from pairing the phone and setting up the Wi-Fi connection, there are a few other simple settings like activating EIS for the wide-angle camera and boosting noise reduction with a built-in dual microphone for video filming. But a good experience here is that you can easily transfer the photos and video shot on the glasses to the phone storage, which is what most camera manufacturers fail to do. And you don't have to worry about the camera storage. The built-in 32GB storage is quite enough for daily use. For the glasses, there's no home screen to display notifications or other information like a smartphone. Instead, for function selection, you only got 4 icons for options, including a camera, a flashback feature, an AR user guide, and an AI translator. I like the idea of the flashback feature, where you can collect back the videos from the 10 seconds before you start shooting. It's perfect for when you suddenly find an interesting fleeting moment but don't have time to press the shutter to film it. You still have 10 seconds to save the moment. There's no built-in speaker and no music playback supported. Apart from the tiny display, the only way to be alerted to information is by vibration. Another problem is that it has an extremely limited battery life, which actually is shorter than what Xiaomi claims. The full battery only can support around 70 minutes of shooting time and standby for around 2 hours. Also, as the chip and motherboard are inside the non-operating legs, it's pretty easy to get heated up. But if you don't deliberately touch it, actually you wouldn't feel the heat. So if you don't have a specific camera needs but just want to try out the glasses, please do not buy it as we did, because you would lose interest in it after a single afternoon and be afraid of using it for the next few days. If you need a POV camera for professional filming, it's not for you either, as you cannot address any of the camera parameters except that you can choose between 4:3 and 16:9 picture ratios. And if you want a camera that can record live through your eyes all the time and also free up your hands, I just want to remind you a few things about the camera glasses. First, its actually battery life for shooting is only about 1 hour, then wearing and using it for over 30 minutes might make you feel tired. And last but not the least, it officially sells for $370. So that's all about the Mijia camera glasses. What do you think of the first glasses from Xiaomi Eco Chain? Please tell us down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.